Hello, in front of me I have MediaTek MT867 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can press the upper or the lower button. Now let's press and hold on the middle of the screen. After a second or two, the watch face menu will open, and here you can swipe left or right on the screen to scroll through the list of watch faces. Find the watch face you like to use and tap on it to apply it. For example, let's apply this one. Like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.